Between you and I, hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. Before we jump into this video, I forgot to record an intro. The vlog is going to be mainly maintenance, but I also added a few clips here and there throughout my whole week, so it should be mostly maintenance. Get cozy, grab your favorite snack, and enjoy this video.
Sérieux, hein? Vraiment?
Hi friends, I'm back home looking like a brand new girl. I always have to get readjusted to my forehead because I feel like my forehead looks so big every time I get a sew in. Just put you guys right here. Almost midnight. I'm exhausted. I'm so tired, but yeah, I absolutely love it. I have 3 bundles of Beauty Forever hair. I told her there's no point for her to style my hair because I'm literally just going to bed. I love it. I love when my hair is nice and full. I just have to get adjusted to my forehead because I feel like my forehead looks huge, like freaking Megamind or something. Next, we have to get these nails done, because this is ridiculous. The nails, we gotta get the toes. I'm still debating if I want to go get my eyebrows threaded, because last time she picked it a little too much, and my eyebrows are already like sisters. They're not twins, so.
Hi girly pops. I just got to the nail salon. It's literally storming. I shouldn't even be out right now with this weather condition, but I was already out. I had to buy like last minute stocking stuffers because I'm supposed to go to my mom's. Well, technically speaking, I was supposed to go tonight, but with this weather, honestly, I think it would be safer for me to go tomorrow morning. So I think that's what I'll do. But yeah, Christmas is in 2 days. I can't believe it. It's going by so fast. I have to get these nails done bad, like so bad. I'm very excited to be here because this is needed. Got a simple French. I haven't done French in so long. It was so busy in there that I didn't want to pull out my camera and film, just because I don't know, I don't want to have people in the background. So yeah, I didn't film a lot in there, but at least you guys get to see my cute nails. I'm about to go home. Guys, when I tell you it's storming. Like, it's storming. And I'm out here getting my nails done in the middle of a storm. Let me show you guys. Like, it's actually crazy. But yeah, anyways. I'm about to go home, pack, get ready for tomorrow. And yeah. So adorbs.
Says too much caffeine makes me tense.
You should drink Sanka brand decaffeinated coffee.
I like real coffee.
Sanka brand's 100% real coffee. Try it.
Delicious, delicious.
Today is New Year's Eve, December 31st. I'm just getting ready to go to church. I put my hair in like little rollers. I think I'm gonna keep this until right before I leave. Dress code for tonight is black and red. So I'm thinking a black dress with some red heels, probably a red purse. We'll see how that works. Hi, Miss. Hi. So we'll see how that works. I didn't really plan outfits, to be quite honest with you. Alexa, what time is it? The time is 7:05 p.m. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna get dressed. I'm pretty much ready. All I have to do is just take this out and brush my curls out. I texted my client. She said she was gonna get there for 7 to find parking, which is very smart because I did not think about parking. And because it's New Year's Eve, everyone's gonna be downtown. It's gonna be so hard to try and find parking. And also, leaving downtown tonight is gonna be tricky. But yeah, okay. I'm gonna put my dress on. I'll show you guys the outfit. Let me see if I like it with the strap. The feathers are so crazy. They're like all over the place. I don't know if I like it with the strap more. Like this? No, I don't like it. Nope, I don't like the strap. It looks super tacky with the strap, so I think I'm just gonna keep the little handle and keep it as like a clutch. Probably just put what I need in there. Et voila. I don't think I'm gonna bring my camera, obviously. Yeah, so happy New Year's. I hope you stay safe, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Hi guys, it's Friday, January 3rd, 2:49. I'm just getting ready because I'm about to meet up with my mom and my stepdad because they want to do some shopping. They have a dinner tonight, so I'm just gonna hang out with them before their dinner. Just wanted to put a little bit of makeup on to look alive. My skin is also breaking out. So yeah, I just wanted to look presentable. Also, this lip pencil from Makeup by Mario in the color Travis, so good. Literally my favorite. I really need to clean my vanity. My makeup is all over the place and I feel like I can't find anything. I did a lot of cleaning this morning. I'm doing some laundry right now. This is kind of like my lash room slash beauty room. And yeah, I just moved some things around. Let me show you guys what I did. Ended up putting a rug here. Also moved this from my beauty room to this little area. Like, it makes it look so cozy. I'm just gonna get dressed really quickly, brush my hair out, and we're gonna head out. I just got downtown waiting for my mom and my stepdad to pick me up. We haven't talked since New Year's Eve. Hope you guys had an amazing start of the year. My New Year's Eve was so amazing. It was actually my first time ever going to church on New Year's Eve, and honestly it might be my new thing. Just so amazing to be in a place, especially to ring in the new year, filled with people that are all there for the same purpose, which is to give God his glory for all that he has done the previous year. And yeah, it was just so amazing. I loved it so much. The next day I didn't do anything. You guys, when I tell you, it's very rare for me to sleep in, but I slept until 11 a.m. It was just proof that I really needed to... Oh, let me move up so this car can have some space. Yeah, that was my sign that I was so tired, and I'm glad that I had a good rest. I feel very rested. So on the first, I didn't do much. And then on the second, what did I do on the second? I worked and went to the grocery store, cleaned up a little bit. That's pretty much it, honestly. I took it pretty easy on the second, and yeah, now we're the third. I took the day off today. Would also love to repaint my lash room in kind of like, I don't know if you guys have seen it, like a lime wash. I'm not sure if that's what it's called. I would love to do that, possibly do it in kind of like a nudish color. We'll see if I end up doing it, because I've never painted a whole room by myself. Let me turn off this camera really quickly before I use out all my battery, because I don't think I brought any other batteries. Hey y'all, it's currently Saturday. I just got ready. I filmed a little campaign for the jewelry that I'm wearing from Mia Jewels. If you're ever interested, you know what's amazing about this is the fact that it does not turn green, girl. I shower with it, I sleep with it, I go to the spa with it. It did not turn green, so I love this, especially for the price point. Chic on a budget, which I love. I love chic. So I got this ring, I got a little bracelet, and I also got this right here. So pretty and dainty. I absolutely love. Listen, not only is it affordable, but I also have a discount. Between you and I have a discount code that you can use. I'll write it down below, or I'll leave a link that you can click in the description box. I don't know if you can actually click links in the description box. I don't know. I have to check that out, but I got you, girl. I want to get my toes done today, if I didn't mention that. I want to get my toes done. I originally wanted to get my eyebrows done, but the thing is, last time I got my eyebrows done, the girl plucked out a little too much, and I was not too happy. Eyebrows are sisters, they're not twins. So just, you know, I don't want them to be worse. I finished my coffee, and we're gonna head to the nail salon. I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Thank you so much for hanging out. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm trying to reach 1 million by the end of the week, okay? 1 million subscribers by the end of the week. So like this video. Love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next vlog.